Number one, does it change with each of the three types of markets we see? Trending, cycling, or consolidating, also known as up, down, or sideways. Now, if your trading approach makes you first figure out what type of market you're facing without your indicators making it obvious, you're probably too late to take advantage of it. When it comes to actually making money, the two most important things, and this is not just in trading, they are timing and direction. Now, we've all heard that so-and-so made a fortune by being at the right place at the what? The right time. A dependable trading method should have etched in stone rules for identifying the market's direction. In other words, being on the right side of the trade. And most importantly, timing your entries. To summarize, you need specific rules to spot, qualify, enter, manage, and exit your trades the same way every time. That is how you can quickly judge if you have a dependable trading approach.